A very good day to all our dear judge, teachers and fellow friends. I am Vishali and this is all my groupmates. Hitika, Lolakshi, Harini and Aksha and we are the Interstellar Hypnotism group. The experiment we are going to do is lava lead. Next, Hitika will continue.
I'm going to tell the things we need for this experiment. We need a jar and vegetable oil, baking soda, vinegar, food coloring and a bowl. Next, Lolakshi will continue.
Firstly, we need to make a jar and add some baking soda. And secondly, we need to pour some vegetable oil. Then we need to take a small bowl and pour some vinegar. Next, we need to add some green food coloring into the vinegar. Take a spoon and stir it well. Now pour the vinegar and food coloring mixture into the jar. Next, Harini will continue.
Oil and water won't mix because they have different densities. Carbon dioxide bubble is less dense than water. Vinegar reacts with baking soda to yield carbon dioxide gas and water. So they rise to the top of the water. When enough pops, the water and remaining gas